Okay, what's your favorite Mexican beer? Modelo? Oh, Corona. Oh, okay, okay. Hey, ¿qué pasó? Modelo or Corona?
Corona.
Modelo Negra.
Modelo Negra? Okay, okay. Quick, Corona or Modelo?
Modelo.
Okay. Corona or Modelo?
Corona.
Modelo or Corona?
Corona.
How about you? Modelo or Corona? Modelo or Corona?
Heineken.
Heineken, that is his favorite Mexican beer, man. It's Cinco de Mayo, man.
You Cinco de Mayo today?
Well, today's the 3rd, but it is the 5th.
Oh, but you celebrating early.
Well, I'm getting my video ready, man.
Modelo.
Modelo.
Modelo. You can't get no better than that. What?
Modelo or Corona?
Modelo.
How about you, Danny?
Iced tea.
Danny said, I no drink.
I get tequila.
Corona or Modelo?
Modelo.
Keith, Modelo or Corona?
Corona.
Modelo or Corona?
Corona.
You too young. You too young, huh?
Corona.
Corona or Modelo?
You say Corona.
Yeah, Corona or Modelo?
Corona or Modelo? Neither one.
It's Cinco de Mayo. You gotta pick one. It's gonna be Cinco de Mayo. You gotta celebrate the.
I drink the Bud Light. I come into a girl when I drink it.
Modelo or Corona?
Corona.